Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this moment that defines the future. As cities expand globally, the demands of urban governance have quietly evolved. Today, Babbobox and XMOV join hands to open a new chapter in AI-empowered city governance. In the past, smart cities were constrained by data silos, with vast amounts of unstructured data lying dormant. Now, we are breaking through this bottleneck. Babbobox, with its deeply indexed intelligent infrastructure, parses trillion-scale urban data in an instant. XMOV, with its cutting-edge generative AI and digital human technologies, endows the city with a warm interactive interface. We will transform the way public spaces interact with people. Citizens will no longer face cold screens, but rather receive precise policy answers and services within milliseconds through lifelike AI virtual assistants. Let us witness together how the city learns to think, and how it comes to understand every citizen better.